So I've been freaking out getting everything perfect for the South by Southwest in Austin, Texas conference. And I'm gonna do a beach theme, and oh my gosh, I wanted to get this car so bad. Oh no, that's too big for you. They've all got collars on now. I'm gonna have to take this one off. That one's different than the rest. It's got like holes and. Okay, so I put collars on all of them so that people that are watching can tell the difference. You guys too. They're gonna make all these cute noises. You want to get in the car? Isn't it so cute? It'd be perfect size for these guys. Okay, so also we've got names because did a photo shoot, but it got too dark by the time we did this kitty because this kitty was a troublemaker. I have to figure out who's who. All right, hi baby. Okay, we figured out we think we have two girls. This one, which is Magpie, mustache kitty. She's got a really pretty collar. And then, whoopsies. And this kitty's gonna be Chickadee. Chickadee. If this is the girl. I can't tell which twin is the girl, but I know one of them is. Where's the other twin? Oh, there you are. Oh, so that changes things, because... Okay, I think we don't have the name for this one. Did you do that too? Well, these are dangerous. We won't keep these on without supervision. It's like weird, because none of them are fine. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm gonna have to cover up the bottom of there because they can go down in it. Oh my gosh. It's so cute. Alright, sorry. The two black kitties are twins. We've got Hawk and Sparrow. Which one is which? Hawk is my chill guy, but I can't. But this one was giving a fuss. So is this one. I don't know. Okay, I think, looks like he's like, hey, lettuce. Okay, so this is Hawk. This is Sparrow. Oh my gosh, look. That's perfect. They can lay up here. Okay. Oh my gosh. Hawk. Sparrow. Chickadee. Magpie. Finch. And then I think we're missing a boy name of birds. What other bird do we think of? I don't think we quite have a name for that one. What? It's so rainy. Stuff in your eye, I can't stand it. What's going on here? What's that face? What? What's that face? Does he got you? Does he have you, I mean? Talk like a baby. What is that? What is that face? Oh, you like the cruiser. Yeah. Cute. Finch, do you like your sister? Chickadee. Finch, Chickadee. Hawk, Sparrow. Magpie. And what's another boy name? Boy kitty name. I mean, boy bird name. Sorry. Go back to sleep. Freaking adorable. You look like you're drunk. Silly kitty. Yeah. So I've got a good picture of Sparrow again. Sparrow is a butthead for pictures. Mama doesn't need a picture, everybody will know she's Mama. But I do realize I should have got her a collar because it's pretty darn cute, all the collars. And sorry, Raven. Okay, we'll see you later.